Hi everyone, welcome to Siri Tutorials. So today I'm going to do some more problems of previous competitive questions of KSET 2021 and 22. Okay, so today I will select the topic that is integrations. So from integrations I will do previous problems. Uh, those problems were easiest and some of the problems were like direct theory questions also. Okay, so let us start. Don't waste the time. See this. What is the question? Integral 0 to 8. Integral 0 to 8. Step function of x. Greatest integer function of x dx. That is the question. First of all, I will use a general procedure and after that I will use a shortcut method. Okay. So 0 to 8 step function of x dx is equal to, we can write it as, split it as 0 to 1 step function of x dx plus 0 to 2, or we can say that 1 to 2, 1 to 2 step function of x dx plus 2 to 3 step function of x dx plus and so on up to 7 to 8 step function of x dx. That is equal to what we get. 0 to 1 means integral 0 to 1, here 0 because in 0 to 1, 0 less than or equal to x less than 1, the value will be least 1. So 0 dx integral 1 to 2, in 1 its value will be, that is 1 dx plus in this 2 to 3, 2 to 3 what we get, 2 to 3 its value will be 2 dx because the least one. So 1 less than or equal to x less than 2 implies we will select 1. 2 less than or equal to x less than 3 implies we will select 2. Like this and so on. 7 to 8 its value will be 7 dx. So if we apply upper limit minus lower limit, what we get? 0. First one is 0, here 1. So integration of 1 dx means x, limits will be 1 to 2 plus 2 outside, integration of 1 dx, x limits will be 2 to 3 plus and so on. 7 integration of 1 dx, x limits will be 7 to 8. So answer will be, it's 2 minus 1, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on up to 7. That is nothing but the sum of 7 terms. 7 into 7 plus 1 by 2, that is nothing but 7 into 7 plus 1, 8 by 2, that is 2 4s are 7 4s are 28. So 28 will be correct answer. But this is lengthiest procedure. Okay. So I will use a shortcut method. Shortcut method. How can we do? Integral 0 to n, greatest integer function of x dx is equal to n into n minus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula. So in question what was given? 0 to 8 greatest integer function of x dx, that is nothing but 8 into 7 divided by 2, 2 4s are 7 4s are 28. Direct answer. Okay. So this is a shortcut method. Okay. Next, one more. One more formula is also there. If the given question is integral 0 to n fractional part of x, whenever fractional part of x given, its value will be n divided by 2. Okay. Right. Next, I will move on to one more problem. What is that problem? Integral 0 to pi by 2 sine theta in under root of sine theta into cos cube theta d theta. This is the question, right? So we have one formula, one method of solving integrations, that is substitution method. Now I will take sine theta is equal to t square. We can take sine theta differentiation. Cos theta d theta is equal to 2t dt. Okay. First of all, I will convert the question like this: 0 to pi by 2 under root of sine theta into cos square theta into cos theta d theta, that is equal to 0 to pi by 2 under root of sine theta into cos square theta. We can write it as 1 minus sine square theta into cos theta d theta. Now substitute all values here. What we get by substituting, and upper limit this one, whenever x is equal to, x is nothing but here theta is equal to pi by 2, substitute theta is equal to pi by 2 here. That implies t square is equal to sine pi by 2, that means t is equal to 1. Lower limit theta is equal to 0, this is lower limit, so theta is equal to 0. Substitute here, what we get, t square is equal to sine 0, that is nothing but t is equal to 0. Substitute all values 0 to 1. Sine theta is equal to t square means under root of sine theta means t. 1 minus sine square theta means t power 4. Cos theta d theta means 2t dt, that is equal to 0 to 1, 2 outside, t into t square minus t power 6 dt. So that's is equal to 2 into t square integration t cube by 3 minus t power 7 by 7, limits will be 0 to 1. Substitute t into, if we substitute, we will get 1 by 3 minus 1 by 7. So 2 into LCM will be 21, 7 minus 3, 4, 4 2s are 8 divided by 21. So answer is 8 divided by 21. Okay. So this is substitution method. Okay. Next, let us move on to one more problem. This is easiest problem. X square integration x cube by 3 limits 2 to 3. You can substitute, what we get, 1 by 3 outside, 3 cube is nothing but 27, 2 cube nothing but 8. So answer is 19 by 3. This is dead easy question. Okay. Next, one more. So this is the problem. Solution. Here also I will take sin x is equal to t. Okay. So sin x is equal to t. Sin x differentiation cos x dx is equal to dt. Now upper limit same, pi by 2, substitute here. Upper limit, what we get, t is equal to sin pi by 2 will be 1. Lower limit, t is equal to sin 0 is equal to 0. Substitute all values 0 to 1. 1 divided by 1 plus t. Here sin x value also t. Okay. Cos x dx is nothing but cos x dx is equal to dt. Okay. So how can we find the solution for this? That is equal to integral 0 to 1. I will do t plus 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus t dt. Now separate 0 to 1, t plus 1 divided by 1 plus t minus 0 to 1, 1 by 1 plus t dt as well as dt. These got cancelled. So by cancelling this, what we get, integration of 1 dx is nothing but x, limits 0 to 1, integration of 1 by 1 plus x dx, 0 to 1, 1 by 1 plus x dx is equal to log mod 1 plus x plus c. Of course, here integral 0 to 1 if I take. So 1 by 1 plus t is nothing but what we get? Log mod 1 plus t, limits 0 to 1. So its value will be 1 minus log 2, because log 1 value how much? 0. So let us check the answer. 1 minus log 2. So this will be the answer. Okay. Next, let me move on to one more question. So this is as it is theory question. This will be the answer for that question. Okay. So actually it didn't have limits. It didn't have limits. Integral 0 to integral cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha. This is as it is exercise question. So even though, let us see the solution. Integration of cos 2x formula, cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So 2 cos square x minus 1 minus of 2 cos square alpha minus 1 divided by cos x minus cos alpha into dx. Here minus 1 cancel. Now I will write 2 outside. What we get? Cos square alpha, cos square x minus cos square x minus cos square alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha into dx. So 2 integration of, it is in the form of a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b. So cos x plus cos alpha into cos x minus cos alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha into dx. These got cancel. 2. What is integration of cos x? Sin x plus cos alpha is constant, cos alpha outside, integration of dx is nothing but x plus c. So the answer will be 2 into sin x plus x cos alpha plus c. This is as it is theory question. Let me move on to one more question. So this is also in the form of theory question of 5.7. Okay, 7.7. Okay, right. For this I will do integral 0 to 1 e power x into denominator. What is denominator? 2 plus x whole cube. Numerator I will write it as x plus 2 minus 2. Okay, added and subtracted with 2. So dx. Now integral 0 to 1 e power x into, now separate it, x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 whole cube minus 2 divided by x plus 2 whole cube into dx. Right. So here one got cancel, square. What we get? Integral 0 to 1 e power x into 1 by x plus 2 whole square minus 2 by x plus 2 whole cube into dx. It is in the form of, we know, integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to, answer is e power x into f of x plus c. So its value is e power x. This is f and this is f dash. Okay, how can we write e power x into? So that is equal to e power x into f of x, 1 by x plus 2 whole square, limits 0 to 1. So that is equal to, simplify this, what we get by substituting upper limit e into 1 by, so 1 I am substituting here, 1 plus 2 3 square means 9, minus e power 0 value will be 1, 1 by its x value also here 4, so e by 9 minus 1 by 4, that is answer. E by 9 minus 1 by 4, I got the solution. Okay, next let us move on to one more question. This is also direct theory question, it is example problem. Here I will take this as t. Tan inverse of x power 4 is equal to t. So round up this, 1 by 1 plus x power 8, or x power 4 differentiation 4x cube dx is equal to dt. So x cube dx divided by 1 plus x power 8 is equal to dt divided by 4. Substitute all values here, integration of sin t. So remaining total will be dt. Sin t integration is minus cos t plus c. Substitute t value here, that is minus cos of, here dt is nothing but dt by 4. Okay, so minus 1 by 4 into cos of tan inverse of x power 4 divided by 4 plus c. Easiest theory question. Next, this is also similar to theory question because K-set problems will be easy. Okay, so how should I write? Integration of x square divided by under root of x square, I will take x power 6, I will write it as x cube whole square, plus this one I will write it as a cube whole square into dx. Now I will multiply and divide with 3. So 1 by 3. I think options were different. So don't see these ones because options were wrong given. So I will do problem directly. I will multiply and divide with 3. What we get? 3x square divided by under root of x cube whole square plus a cube whole square, that is equal to 1 by 3 into x cube differentiation 3x square. That means ignore this 3x square. What we get? We get in the form of 1 by under root of x square plus a square. What is formula? Log mod. Answer is log mod x plus under root of x square plus a square plus c. Same answer. Log mod x. X is nothing but x cube plus under root of, as it is under root of, what we get? Under root of x cube whole square plus a cube whole square plus c. Direct answer. Okay, instead of substituting the value, what we get? 1 by 3 log mod x cube plus under root of x power 6 plus a power 6 plus c. Simple one. Next, another problem. So probably this will be the last problem. Actually, we will do this problem based on f of or integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. But that takes little bit of more time. So in theory, in 7.11, we have one formula, one problem. Integral 0 to a under root of x divided by under root of x plus under root of a minus x dx. This is the question. For this, what was answer? A divided by 2. So, a value will be this one, 4042. Same, that is equal to 4042 divided by 2, that is nothing but 2021. So, the answer is 2021. Okay, so this is the way to find the solutions. I think you understood. If there is any doubts, please tell me in comment box. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay, until then, next we will move to another topic in further class. Right, thank you. Good night one and all.